GBATAHA. Please search for it. Bamángariahẽ in the kitchen. Bamángariahẽ in the kitchen. Mutaingo bero kuchi komondoro. Please point your finger to the tomato. Komondoro dure. This is tomato. Kurahadure. This is another one. Kurahadure. Another one is here. Kurahadunore. Another one is this side. Akomondoro ngange. There are many tomatoes. Welidu kangirani bange henwai. Where is a filter? How many are there? Kangira guasa. There is only one filter. Mibihesa. I found one. Mobingo ranga. Do you find onion? Mibiranga asa. Yeah, I found onion also one. Bange alikare wine. How many spoons are there? Alikare ni dungura. There are many spoons. Sa uwe biata biama bishwe batisa bachiwe. Alikare ni dungura. There are many spoons. Anigijinga limo agahani berewe. Let us count the names of these things again. Alikare, spoons, ranga, onion, kangina, a filter, komondoro, that is tomato, bamángariahẽ in the kitchen. Gini mbatunga hebi mongo ho ane ka ni wilikili moho rogo Pazande. What are the other things that you found here? We can learn their names in Pazande.